Hi, this video will show you how PMX3 works. This is the main station, and these two are the remote devices. The remote devices will remote it to the main station. Click the PMX3 icon, key in your username and password and login. This is the background music section. As you can see, this is the dashboard. This is where you can see all your music clients that you have connected, and these are the channels that have been created. To create a music channel, click Channel, pick a channel name. Once created, this is the page where you can add your media into it. After that, you can choose any client available to broadcast and play the music. This is the paging section. Options above is the zone selector page. Options below are grouping, group keys. Select zone. Press chime profile. Pick either default or your own chime profile. And start paging.
Ladies and gentlemen,
this is the schedule section. To create a schedule, click Create. Name any schedule title you want. Here, you can set the priority. And you can control the volume and EQ here. There are two types of schedule, on date and weekly. For example, we choose weekly, and select Friday. For occurrence, it's either on time or interval. Under interval, it will trigger every customized minute or hour depending on your choice. But now, we set it on time. Now is 5:27 p.m. And we schedule our time to 5:29 p.m. And we wait for few minutes. For zoning, either select all call or zone specific. Let's say if you chose your specific zone. Click this to add media. Once you're done with that, press save. Now we wait for the schedule to get trigger.
ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. The emergency situation in the building is now over. You may resume your normal activities. Thank you.